Welcome to GoMailer, the premier email marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business seamlessly. With GoMailer, you can create targeted campaigns, automate your emails, and track your results for increased conversions. Today, I'll walk you through the process of setting up and sending an effective email campaign on GoMailer. Let's get started. To start creating your campaign, log into your GoMailer account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. You will then be presented with two options, a plain editor and a template builder. For this tutorial, we will focus on the template builder, which allows for more visual customization without coding skills. The drag and drop editor offers a variety of elements to create engaging emails. You can drag desired components from the sidebar into the template. Then, customize each element by clicking on it to modify text, fonts, colors, and links. Use the preview function to check your email's appearance on different devices. Remember, a well-designed email should be visually appealing, on-brand, and optimized for both desktop and mobile viewing. Once your design is complete, it is time to configure your campaign settings. First, choose a descriptive name for internal tracking. Your subject line is the first thing your subscribers will see, so you should use a subject line that's catchy and personalized. Enter the verified name and email address for the sender. Then, choose one or multiple audience lists for your campaign. Add a brief summary that appears after the subject line in most email clients. Finally, set a date and time for your campaign to be sent. Before sending, review all elements of your campaign, double-check your email design, verify that all links are working correctly, send a test email to yourself or colleagues for a final review. Once satisfied, click send or schedule depending on your preference. Today, we've covered the essential steps for creating a successful campaign on GoMailer. Successful email marketing is an iterative process. You need to monitor your campaign performance and use those insights to refine future campaigns. If you are yet to, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.